Hey guys, I'm Sarah. Every week I comb through hundreds of DIY videos preparing projects for our weekly maker show, Make or Break. Along the way, I find some good ones and some great ones, and right now I'm gonna share them with you. This is Sarah's top 5 DIY picnic tables.
And I know like one of my picnic tables is on this list, right?
Number 5 is modern builds. Have you ever wanted to add a picnic table to your backyard, but the angles were just a bit too intimidating? How about making a modern version using only 90-degree angles, making every cut super simple? Well, that is what Mike did, and through a little trial and error, he found a really easy way to build a sturdy picnic table that should only take you a couple hours to put together and start to enjoy. Number 4 is Jay Bates. If you prefer a more traditional look, this project may be more to your liking. Mr. Bates shares his plans and walks you through how he built this 5-foot, very rugged, inexpensive version that you just have to watch. I love builds like this where you don't need a full shop of tools to make the project. He used a circular saw, a drill, and a speed square. That's it. Number 3 is Make, Build, Modify. Justin shared how to build a picnic table that will only take you a couple hours, and to me, that sounds like the perfect weekend project before your next barbecue. Just don't wait until the day of though. I would give yourself a little extra time, so you have time to actually barbecue too. Not only does he guide you through his building process, but he also made his plans available so you can make one for yourself or for a friend, or for a Father's Day gift. Nice job, Justin. Number 2 is April Wilkinson. Okay, this one is pretty cool. I have seen a few versions of a hybrid table like this, but I like this one the most. April made 2 benches that can easily fold down when it's time to eat, and the 2 seemingly normal benches Autobot transform into a functional picnic table. You can't tell me that's not awesome. Look at it. That's awesome. Coming in at number 1 is
Squirrely picnic tables.
No, it's Urgfab.
Wait a minute, are you telling me my picnic tables didn't make it on your list?
You made a little picnic table for a squirrel.
Wait, I made 3 picnic tables for our furry little friends so they don't have to eat on the ground. And a miniature picnic table for your daughter.
I will include Rob's squirrel picnic table project and the one he made for my little girl in the links below.
Thank you.
Number 1 is actually Urgfab. I love the idea of metalworking and have high hopes of adding metalworking projects to Rob's and my project list in this coming year. But until then, I will fawn over fun projects like this one from Matt and his little minion helper. This metal and wood combination is really pretty to me, and I love how this particular project turned out. Though grinders still have me a healthy amount of unnerved, I'm excited to try something like this in the future. Thank you so much for sharing, Matt.
Have you seen a project that should have made it onto my list? Leave it in the comments below and I will be sure to check it out.
I will.
Rob, oh my gosh. All right, if you like this video, the rest of my top 5 videos are in a playlist right here so you can check them out. And don't forget to join Rob and me every Tuesday for our next episode of Make or Break. I'll see you then.
My picnic tables were awesome.